Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking regional settings because Excel uses them for decimal separators. Once done, open your workbook and select the cells you want to change. You can select all if needed. Next, go to File, Options, and Advanced. This is where Excel keeps number formatting controls. Make sure to uncheck Use System Separators so you can specify your own characters. You're now ready to set the decimal and thousand symbols directly in Excel. Instead of with system separators off, you'll set the decimal to a comma and the thousands to a dot or space as required. Type a comma into the decimal separator box and a dot into thousand separator, then click OK to apply. You'll see numbers update immediately in the selected cells, and new entries will use the comma as the decimal mark. If some cells remain unchanged, check their formatting. They must be number or general, not text, for the new separators to display. Finish by saving your workbook and entering a few new numbers to confirm the comma is used automatically. If existing numbers remain as text, use data text to columns to convert them. Choose Delimited next. Finish to coerce Excel into numeric format. If Excel keeps reverting to the old separator, make sure Windows or Mac OS regional settings aren't forcing system separators. Either change them there or leave Excel's Use System Separators unchecked. That single check fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.